We are disruptors, innovators, entrepreneurs. This is absolutely the right place to come if you want to make a deal.
This is my third year of hosting, and it gets better and more diverse every year.
It's the largest conference that the North does around helping businesses, helping entrepreneurs, bringing investors together.
What I love about it is it brings together investors, founders and businesses and brings us all together under a few roofs, a couple of crazy sessions, a couple of really informative sessions, but definitely something to be part of.
It's like an orange welcome mat is Climb. There's a load of amazing people and everyone feels welcome. That's when the magic happens.
If I was to summarise Climb in 3 words, full of energy.
Climb26 is absolutely phenomenal, the best event.
What a great day here at Climb26. Really looking forward to tomorrow, so we'll see you then.
Climb 26!